And the first person off to our left there is Brian Elias. He's a clinical associate professor at the University of Iowa College of Law and has been an immigration attorney in Iowa City. Next to him is Pastor Trey Hager, the First Presbyterian Church of Mount Pleasant. And then Tito Garcia, who we've focused in the Hawkeye, is not here currently. I'm not sure what came up with his situation. He's kind of put himself out there in the newspaper, so we kind of know his story if you've been reading the Hawkeye. He might be here, he may not. So anyway, we hope he shows up. And then Richard Goffner, he's with the Des Moines County Republicans, and we'll share his views too. So what I'm going to do is kind of go down the panel. I'll take this microphone, I think it'll reach over to them, and then they'll kind of share a little bit about what immigration means to them, how they work with it, and we'll get some of their views, and then hopefully we can just open it up to some discussion and some topics, and people can share some stories, and we can just get some information and go from there.
You can't just come into the United States. You have to fit into one of these three boxes, and if you don't, there is no way to enter the United States lawfully. There's just no way to move here permanently. The three boxes are, the most well-known is the family immigration box. So if you are closely related to a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, someone with a green card, if you are the spouse, parent, or child of a U.S. citizen, or the spouse, parent, or child of a lawful permanent resident, someone who's here already, they can help you apply to come to the United States. And if you fit in through that family relation box, you can wait in the line. How long the line is depends on what your relationship is to whom in the United States and where you're coming from. There are different lines for each type of family relationship: parent, spouse, child, sibling. Different lines if the person you're related to is a U.S. citizen or merely a permanent resident who doesn't have citizenship status yet. And then also what country you're coming from. So the lines can run from about a year if you are married to a United States citizen, to, if you are to pick one of the lower priorities, the sibling of a United States citizen coming from, say, the Philippines. You live in the Philippines and you have a sibling who's a United States citizen. They can apply for you to come to the United States. They'll get their application approved. Yes, that is my sibling. They can enter the United States as my sibling. And then you start waiting in line. And as of last month, the line for a sibling from the Philippines is 22 years.